Vegetables that age you faster versus the ones that reverse aging. Did you know that some vegetables sitting in your refrigerator right now could be slowly poisoning your body while others have the power to literally reverse aging at the cellular level? I'm about to reveal 4 vegetables that are absolute disasters for your health that most people eat daily, plus 4 superpower vegetables that can transform your entire well-being in ways that will shock you. Stay with me because what I'm about to share will completely change how you shop for groceries forever. Before we dive into these game-changing revelations, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because I'm constantly sharing life-altering health discoveries that could save your life. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Let's start with the 4 vegetables you need to eliminate from your diet immediately. These aren't just mildly unhealthy options, these are straight-up health destroyers that could be sabotaging everything you're trying to accomplish with your wellness journey. The first vegetable villain is corn. Now I can already hear some of you saying, wait, corn isn't technically a vegetable, it's a grain. You're absolutely right, but most people treat it like a vegetable, so we're including it here. The real problem with corn goes way beyond just being a grain. Modern corn is a genetically modified nightmare that bears almost no resemblance to the corn our ancestors ate. We're talking about a crop that has been engineered to produce its own pesticides. Yes, you heard that correctly. Every kernel of corn is essentially a tiny pesticide factory. But the genetic modification issue is just the beginning. Corn is loaded with something called phytic acid, which acts like a nutrient vacuum in your digestive system. It literally binds to essential minerals like zinc, iron, and calcium, preventing your body from absorbing them. So not only are you not getting nutrition from the corn itself, you're actually losing nutrients from other foods you eat with it. The sugar content in corn is astronomical. 1 cup of corn kernels contains about the same amount of sugar as eating candy. Your blood sugar spikes through the roof, triggering a massive insulin response that promotes fat storage and inflammation throughout your entire body. This creates a cascade of hormonal disruption that can lead to diabetes, heart disease, and accelerated aging. The second vegetable you must avoid is white potatoes. These starchy disasters are basically sugar bombs disguised as vegetables. When you eat a white potato, your body processes it almost identically to eating pure table sugar. The glycemic index of a white potato is actually higher than a candy bar. Let that sink in for a moment. White potatoes contain compounds called glycoalkaloids, particularly solanine, which are natural toxins the plant produces to defend itself from insects and animals. These compounds don't just disappear when you cook the potato. They accumulate in your system and can cause digestive issues, joint pain, and even neurological problems with regular consumption. The nutrient profile of white potatoes is absolutely pathetic compared to the caloric load they deliver. You're essentially eating empty calories that spike your blood sugar, promote inflammation, and contribute to weight gain without providing any meaningful nutrition in return. It's like putting low-grade fuel in a high-performance engine and wondering why everything breaks down. Our third vegetable villain is iceberg lettuce. This one might surprise you because lettuce is supposed to be healthy, right? Wrong. Iceberg lettuce is nutritionally bankrupt. It's basically crunchy water with zero meaningful vitamins, minerals, or antioxidants. When you choose iceberg lettuce, you're missing out on incredible opportunities to nourish your body with actual nutrition. The real crime with iceberg lettuce isn't just what it lacks, it's what it represents. Every time you eat iceberg lettuce, you're taking up valuable stomach space and meal real estate that could be occupied by nutrient-dense powerhouse vegetables. It's an opportunity cost that adds up to massive nutritional deficiencies over time. Iceberg lettuce also tends to be heavily contaminated with pesticides and bacteria due to its growing conditions and the way it's processed and packaged. You're literally eating a delivery system for toxins while getting zero nutritional benefit in return. The fourth and final vegetable to eliminate immediately is canned vegetables of any kind. The canning process destroys virtually all the beneficial nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants that make vegetables healthy in the first place. What you're left with is a mushy, flavorless shadow of what that vegetable once was. But the nutrient destruction is just the beginning of the problem. Canned vegetables are loaded with sodium levels that are absolutely insane. We're talking about 400 to 800 milligrams of sodium per serving, which is nearly half of your entire daily recommended intake. This excess sodium wreaks havoc on your cardiovascular system, promotes water retention, and can lead to high blood pressure and kidney problems. The BPA lining in most cans is an endocrine disruptor that mimics estrogen in your body. This can lead to hormonal imbalances, fertility issues, and increased cancer risk. Even cans labeled as BPA-free often contain similar chemical compounds that have the same dangerous effects. Now let's flip the script and talk about the 4 vegetables that are absolute nutritional powerhouses. These are the vegetables that can literally transform your health, boost your energy, and help your body function at peak performance. The first superfood vegetable is kale. This leafy green is like a multivitamin that grows from the ground. 1 cup of kale contains more vitamin C than an entire orange, more calcium than a glass of milk, and enough vitamin K to support your bone health for days. The antioxidant profile in kale is absolutely incredible, featuring compounds like quercetin and camphorol that fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Kale contains something called sulforaphane, which is one of the most powerful cancer-fighting compounds found in nature. This substance actually helps your liver detoxify harmful chemicals and can even help reverse cellular damage that's already occurred. The fiber content in kale feeds your beneficial gut bacteria, supporting a healthy microbiome that influences everything from your immune system to your mental health. The second powerhouse vegetable is broccoli. This cruciferous champion is loaded with compounds that literally help your body fight disease at the cellular level. Broccoli contains indole 3-carbinol, which helps balance hormones and supports liver detoxification. It's particularly powerful for supporting healthy estrogen metabolism, which is crucial for both men and women. The vitamin C content in broccoli is off the charts, providing powerful immune system support and collagen production for healthy skin and joints. Broccoli also contains significant amounts of folate, which is essential for DNA repair and healthy cell division. The fiber in broccoli helps regulate blood sugar and supports digestive health. One of the most exciting things about broccoli is its ability to support your body's natural detoxification processes. The sulfur compounds in broccoli help your liver process and eliminate toxins more effectively, which can lead to increased energy, clearer skin, and better overall health. Our third superfood vegetable is spinach. Popeye was onto something with his spinach obsession, but the real benefits go far beyond just getting strong. Spinach is loaded with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This compound helps relax and dilate your blood vessels, improving circulation and potentially lowering blood pressure. The iron content in spinach is substantial, helping prevent anemia and supporting healthy oxygen transport throughout your body. Spinach also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related damage and may help prevent macular degeneration. The magnesium content in spinach is crucial for over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body, including energy production, protein synthesis, and blood sugar regulation. Many people are deficient in magnesium, so adding spinach to your diet can help fill this critical nutritional gap. The fourth and final superfood vegetable is bell peppers, particularly red bell peppers. These colorful vegetables are absolutely loaded with vitamin C, containing more than twice the amount found in citrus fruits. This vitamin C is crucial for immune function, collagen production, and antioxidant protection. Bell peppers contain powerful carotenoids like beta-carotene, lycopene, and capsanthin. These compounds give bell peppers their vibrant colors and provide incredible antioxidant protection for your cells. They help fight inflammation, support eye health, and may even help protect against certain types of cancer. The fiber content in bell peppers supports healthy digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. They're also incredibly low in calories while being high in nutrients, making them perfect for anyone looking to optimize their nutrition while managing their weight. So here's your action plan moving forward. Start by eliminating those 4 vegetable villains from your diet completely. Stop buying corn, white potatoes, iceberg lettuce, and canned vegetables. Your body will thank you within weeks as inflammation decreases and energy levels improve. Next, make those first superfood vegetables the foundation of your vegetable intake. Aim to include kale, broccoli, spinach, and bell peppers in your diet multiple times per week. You can add them to smoothies, salads, stir-fries, or eat them as snacks with healthy dips. The transformation you'll experience by making these simple swaps will be remarkable. Better energy, clearer thinking, improved digestion, and enhanced overall well-being are all within your reach. Remember, every single meal is an opportunity to either nourish your body or harm it. Choose wisely. If this information has opened your eyes to the power of smart vegetable choices, smash that like button and share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Your health is your wealth, and these simple changes can pay dividends for decades to come.